killed in an explosion at a hospital in Gatesville yesterday.
Michael Brugman died at Coryell Memorial Health Systems. 15 others were hurt. They're in hospitals in Austin, Dallas, and San Antonio. KXAN's Will Dupree spoke to investigators who are trying to figure out what caused the explosion that was felt for miles.
Now that the smoke has cleared, new images show just how extensive the damage is. Walls and roofs crumbled from the force of the violent blast at an area under construction at the hospital. Video from a witness shows people rushing to help victims shortly afterward. CEO David Byram said it took 5 minutes for his staff members to get to all of those hurt and clear the building.
I'm surrounded by heroes where I work. It's very impressive.
Coryell County Sheriff Scott Williams also commended many of the doctors, nurses, and other staff members who ran to help.
The danger level was very high for quite some time, and not a single person, hospital staff, law enforcement, FD, citizens, nobody wavered. They ran straight into the threat and saved lives.
Ambulances like these remain on standby, ready to transport anyone with an emergency here to a neighboring city, since both the hospital and the ER here in Gatesville remain closed. Some staff members are working from the nearby Coryell Community Church. Wheelchairs still sit in the sanctuary after about 40 elderly people were evacuated there on Tuesday. Pastor Daniel Crowther says his church is doing whatever it can to assist.
When you see people in need, we know that it's not heaven yet, but we want to do whatever we can to make it look a little more like that.
Will Dupree, KXAN News.
Still unclear how the explosion happened. The state fire marshal's office is now handling that portion of the investigation.
And we have more specifics about how first responders from Austin helped in Gatesville. Austin Travis County EMS sent several ambulances known as a strike team. It also sent its ambulance bus, which can transport and treat several patients at once. Medics helped a task force move more than 70 people who were inside the nursing home on the hospital's campus. Most were moved in nursing home vehicles or released to family members. The Austin Fire Department sent 3 trucks, a battalion chief, and 10 structural collapse technicians. AFD tells us when they got there, they spent an hour searching for a missing person who was taken to the hospital. They also helped assess the building for safe zones and dangerous areas.